Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a really short and sweet Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale haul. It's more like a mini haul because I only got a few items because I work full-time and my style has kind of evolved over the years, so I don't get quite as much from Victoria's Secret, but I still wanted to show you guys in case you were interested. I believe the sale goes on for about 2 weeks or longer, depending on where you live. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. If you're new to my channel, I hope you will subscribe. I might be doing some giveaways coming up, so that's always really exciting. Anyway, here's my first item. I picked up a pair of these green and black leopard joggers. I got them in size medium. They're really soft, they're nice thick cotton material, and I think they'll just be great for lounging around the house. They have a pretty thick waistband, so they look like they'll be pretty cozy and a little bit oversized in the waist. For me, I'm not sure if they will go all the way past my ankle because I'm pretty tall, but I think they'll be super comfy and super trendy. I think you can wear this either around the house or to bed or even out. That's something I always really like about Victoria's Secret sweats. They're a little bit dressier and more appropriate to wear in public. But what I really like about this is I kind of got this set. So I got this sweatshirt also in a size medium because it's more of a fitted sweatshirt, and like I said, I'm tall. But again, it's in this dark gray leopard pattern. Is this leopard? I don't think it's cheetah. I hope it's leopard. Anyway, this is really cute, and I just think this will look adorable together. Having like a weekend with my friends coming up in January, and I think that will be just great to wear around our Airbnb. I also picked up a pair of black biker shorts. I got a pair of plain black ones at the summer sale, but these are these metallic-y, kind of shiny snake print. I think this is snake print. I'm not up on my prints. I got this again in size medium. I think they look a little bit shorter than the pair I picked up in the summer, but I literally love my plain black pair. I wear them all the time, and I think these will just be great for travel or lounging around and then heading out to run errands. It is nice to kind of wear a longer t-shirt with these because they do come down longer and they're not your traditional short. I think these are really flattering and can look great on anyone. They also had blue biker shorts and a pair of like black and gray tie-dye, but they didn't have any medium in the black and gray tie-dye. Otherwise, I probably would have picked up that pair. They also had a lot of these joggers with either the green or blue leopard, but they didn't have too many of the matching tops, at least whenever I went. They had a ton of leggings on sale as well, but they all said pink at the bottom or else they were colored, and I just like a plain black legging. I don't like them to say pink or anything. So this is the last thing that I picked up in this mini haul, and that's the Victoria's Secret Tease Glam. It's in this hot pink bottle, which is so gorgeous. I actually totally love Victoria's Secret perfume. I think it's great quality for an affordable price. This was $25 and 50% off. And this just smells like very glamorous and sexy, kind of musky. It's pretty strong, but I really like it. I think it'll be great for like a date night kind of vibe. And it was a little bit sweet too. They had a lot of perfumes, either 50% off, and they had a whole bunch that were $4.99. So that wraps up my haul. Don't hate, I am gonna say that it's a mini haul in the description box. I don't want anyone to give me a thumbs down because they thought it was clickbait or whatever. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you shopped this sale or if you're kind of over Victoria's Secret. I know Business Insider and such sites are kind of predicting the demise of Victoria's Secret, but I still like the store, and I think you can still get some really quality items there at a more affordable price at these sales and with coupons and whatnot. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake.